Alright, some UHMW cutting beautifully on the Tormach on a little mandrel that I've had for years. Alright, here we go. The trick to UHMW is cutting the absolute most you can off at one time. I'm running 1,000 RPMs, 391 surface feet per minute, 6.2 thou per rev. This is the actual OD diameter, just cutting it all from 1.75 down to 1.5. And I use these little inserts. I'll show them in a second. Alright, this has a beautiful finish. These are the inserts I use. They're for cutting aluminum, but they're razor sharp. They're carbide for cutting aluminum, and they're, like I said, they're razor sharp. They do great. Somebody mentioned in one of the comments that you have to use high-speed steel. I never use high-speed steel. I use these. If anybody wants the part number for these, shoot me a message, and I'll comment, and I'll reply. Thanks for watching.